Hey, welcome back to McIntyre's Garage. I'm going to show you how to make another little patch panel. If you put it in your floor pan and you don't have a very good door jamb at the bottom, you sometimes don't have a place to weld your rocker to. So this little area right down here is a problem, as you can see. It was so rusty that when I cut away the old rocker, there wasn't enough left of the jamb. So, lucky for me, I have a few of these cars laying around, so I'm going to show you how I make a pattern off of one with a good section. Okay, so luckily I have another car out here that's pretty solid. It's another two-door, and so you can see what I've got going down here at the bottom. This piece is good shape. So what I've done is just put multiple layers of tape along this area right here. Now you can see that there is, the extent is right here, and there's actually two bends right here. And so we'll take the Sharpie, mark that, and then we're going to mark this lower bend, and then we're going to mark this upper bend, and then we'll just peel that off, lay it out flat. I'm probably only going to wind up using this much of it, but we'll trim that off, trim this off, lay that out on a flat piece of metal, cut what we need, make these two bends. Okay, I just found a little piece of flat metal, 20 gauge, just a spare piece I had laying around. You can see I've peeled off a template and stuck it down to this piece of metal. So I'm just going to outline everything, make sure that these dashes are drawn. This will be the edge cut off anyway. Just let this run wild until we fit it to the car. So now peel this off, trim it out. As you can see, I've already bent the panel now just a little bit. I just used the edge of the bench, made a couple of bends. You can see how I put the profile in there, and then we're going to go over and see how she fits on the car. I'll have to make some adjustments. But basically, this is what we've got. Here's our piece, and then of course I'm going to have to make that a more severe bend. Just kind of form it down in there, and you can see what we need to do now. Just trim it nice to fit, and just weld it along that edge, and weld it over on this edge. Of course, weld it to the rocker, and you know we'll trim this out probably up to about here. And then just replace all this right in here with our new piece of metal. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show you that it's just a simple repair. It's always easy if you already done one before, so hope you enjoy the video. See you now.